Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and today we are going to explore a new way. Yeah, we're going to talk about the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0. Alright, so starting at the front of the bike, we have 20 by 4 inch all-terrain fat tires with that knobby pattern that we like. Over here we have a working headlight. We do have full suspension on this e-bike. Got a little, I don't know if you can see that. Got a little tattoo right there. I've got the handlebar stem. So the handlebar stem does lock right here, and it does unlock so that you can fold the handlebar stem. And then up here we have an adjustment so you can unlock. I'm doing this with one hand, that's okay. And you can adjust the height of your handlebar stem. It even has a little ruler here. Over here on the left, we have a palm rest handle grip. We have our thumb throttle on the left side as well. We have our plus and our minus, so we can adjust our pedal assist. And then there's also the little power button right there to turn on your display. Now on the display, you can see how much battery power you have, you can see how fast you're going, and you can see your pedal assist right here. And then of course you have your mileage down here as well. Over here on the right side, we have the Shimano Altus 8-speed transmission system. It's a little backwards right now, but you can see it is an 8-speed. And then of course there's another palm rest. Now sliding down the down tube, I wanted to make sure that you guys know this is a folding e-bike. You can unlock and lock it here so that you can fold your bike in half and take it wherever you need to go. You also have keys here that need to sit in the battery in order for the e-bike to get started. Here on the left side of the Engwe is your little charging port to get into the battery that sits here in the down tube. The battery is 52 volts, 16 amp hours. We also directly under the battery have a HLT 100 hot shock absorber. We have your adjustable saddle right here. We've got this decent sized rear rack back here as well. And then down here we have our hydraulic disc brakes with 160 millimeter rotors. And then the motor back here is a 750 watt hub motor. So a couple of other specs that I wanted to make sure that I mentioned. The weight of the bike is 69.6 pounds. The maximum load that it can handle is 330 pounds. The heights of the riders is recommended 5'4" to about 6.2 inches. Now, also wanted to let you know that this bike does come in 3 different colors. Right now we have the midnight blue. It also comes in space black and mountain green. So let's go ahead and take this out on the road and take it for a ride and see how it performs. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing the riding portion of the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0. You'll notice that I put a cell phone holder on the handlebar stem so that I can take my cell phone with me in case I go for a tumble. Haven't done that yet on this channel, so I'm not too concerned about it, but should always be safe rather than sorry. So here we go. I'm just going to start by pedaling first. I am in pedal assist 1, and I am pedaling at a tempo of 1, 2, 1, 2, and I am going 8 miles per hour. Now if I speed it up just a little bit, pedaling at a tempo of 1, 2, 1, 2, getting it up to about 12 miles per hour. Let's get it up to pedal assist 2. Still riding at a tempo of about 1, 2, 1, 2, getting it up to 14 miles per hour. Let's get it up to pedal assist 3. Still pedaling at a tempo of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's about 15 miles per hour. And we got pedal assist 4. I'm gonna pedal a little bit faster at a tempo of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, getting it up to 17 miles per hour. And pedal assist 5, let's go. Pedaling at a tempo of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm getting it up to about 20 miles per hour. Now at a tempo of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I was getting it up to 26 miles per hour. Not bad at all. So if you kind of notice, there's a little bit of a pattern. Depending on the rhythm of my pedaling, depends on how fast the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 goes. It is a fantastic torque sensor. It gets a moving and it gets a rolling, and I'm getting some exercise, definitely sweating a little bit, but that's great. I'm feeling good. Something else about this bike, it does have 8 gears. So I was in, let's see, I'm in 6th gear right now. Pedal assist 5 makes it a little bit easier to pedal. Now I am ghost pedaling a little bit now at a tempo of 1, 2, 1, 2, and only getting it up to 20 miles per hour. In 5th gear, in pedal assist 5, yeah, there's definitely some ghost pedaling there. Ghosty. Now that's something also that is unique about this e-bike with the 8 gears, but also just being a really nice torque sensor. I'm getting some good exercise. And I think I've only been out here for a couple minutes too. Yeah, I've only been out here for about 5 minutes. And I'm feeling the burn in my legs just a little bit. It feels good. Feeling great. All right. So that was one round. I'm gonna turn around real quick. Now, I just want to do throttle. Just gonna do throttle. Let's go back down to pedal assist 1. So no pedaling this time. Just gonna do throttle. So let's go. So pedal assist 1 gets up to 20 miles per hour. Oh, actually that's right. Because it's a torque sensor, it doesn't really matter which pedal assist I am in when I'm using throttle only. It's still gonna go about 20 miles per hour. I mean, it's fluctuating a little bit between 18 and 20 miles per hour, throttle alone. So if you wanna go any faster than that, you're gonna have to pedal. Let's see if, oh, the goats are out today. Test these brakes real quick. Look at this dork. That's how he's eating his grass. He's not even standing on all 4 legs. His 2 front legs are bent down at the knees, and he's munching on his grass. That is so cute. What a goat. Look. He's walking on his knees. Oh my goodness. What a dork. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. I love that. Oh, I got distracted by the goat. The brakes work great. Yep. Fantastic. I'm not riding on whole lot on any hills over here, but let's see. The road's a little bumpy, and the suspension is working great. I can ride on this little bit of bumpy road and it feels good. The suspension is doing what it was made to do. And this really is, this is a fun little bike. I like riding this. It's got some pep in its step. It handles well. But you know, I think we need some more riding footage. Let's get some more riding footage. What do you think?